All right, good morning, everybody. We about to do this Chevrolet Tahoe. We out here at Nashville this morning. Usually we in Brentwood, Cool Springs, Green Hills, but nothing major. Inside, like I said, it's always your typical debris. Your sticks, your hay, you know, little snacks. Rennie already working on this interior right here. You can see it like some waste in there. So he gonna get it cracking. It's a little dirty in here this morning, I see. Seems like if you wanna find me, I think I did this car like 3 weeks ago. So yeah, but overall the car not that bad. It usually got the same typical dirt. I think she do like some type of interior decorating or some such. But and she got 2 small boys. You see they got the Chipotle's. Worst Mexican food ever. They need to shut that place down. It's always cold. But you see, got, you know, your normal debris everywhere. You know, like somebody been in here eating them Hershey's Kisses. I see me a dime. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Pull up this back seat. You see it's dirty under here. You know what I mean? So it's a little tedious in here this morning. I noticed it got dog hair too, man. So I don't know when she started riding around with a dog, but that's something new. She never used to have a dog in her car, but now I'm noticing the car is starting to get, you know, brand new car. You see you got all this dirt and stuff right here, but other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. They got the women over there, you see them, the weeding women over there. You know what I mean? They over there doing their thing. I should go over there and say hi to them real quick. They don't mind. You know what I mean? How y'all ladies doing this morning? Can I get y'all to say something hi to YouTube this morning? I see y'all all the time around Nashville. I was just telling them I noticed I see y'all company around all the time. And yeah, name of y'all company is what?
Weeding Woman.
Weeding Woman. And y'all located where?
No, we are Weeding Women.
Okay, y'all located where?
Nashville.
All right, well I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day, ladies. All right. Yeah, so you see they call it Weeding Women. You know what I mean? They own like their own little landscaping business. Like I say, I see her all the time around here. But like I said, we about to go ahead and jump on this Chevy Tahoe right here, knock it out. Basic maintenance wash, exterior, interior, and good afternoon. Well, no, it's good morning, YouTube. We just finished this Chevy Tahoe right here. Like I said, we in Nashville. Rennie almost done. Just got to finish this area right here. But it was just your basic cleaning. It had a little dog hair in there, so I'm definitely not charging for that. But other than that, the whole car came out pretty nice. Like I said, I just finished the windows and things of that nature. Like I said, this whole side of the car is completely vacuumed and wiped down. Probably need to put something on this door. If you look at, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see. See how ashy. Just look how ashy that looks. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and do something about that. I don't know. Like I said before in one of my previous videos, I don't know if Chevrolet changed the polymers in the plastic, because the plastic didn't do this in their previous Chevys, and I'm noticing it's doing this in these new 2020, 2021. That the plastic, once you put any type of all-purpose clean on it, it actually gives it a real ashy gray look, and it's supposed to be black. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some leather condition on there real quick, take care of that. But like I said, overall the car's completely done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the keys back on the porch, get paid, and then go ahead to the next stop, which is probably about 20 minutes from here. I gotta probably get back on the interstate to get there, or I might take the street further. I'd rather take the interstate. I get there a little bit quicker, but I need to take the street because I'm hungry. I don't know what I want to eat. I'm stopping at this grocery store or something. But gonna go holler at Rennie real quick here. Rennie got to save a second. Rennie.
Hey, what's up?
Got something for the people today, man?
Man, not today, bro. Not today.
Not today.
Give him the word.
Give him a word.
Give him a word for the day for me, brother.
Let me say, give y'all a word.
Yeah, give him a word.
Well, Rennie was feeling good today. He was saying how he was a little inspired by all of these people out here working. I felt the same way. It's a beautiful day today. It's like 65 degrees right now. Supposed to get up to like 72. Other than that, it's a beautiful day. Like I said, we just finished this Chevy, and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Peace out. Alright, YouTube, we done made it to this next stop. We're doing this Audi A7. We got to do the basically detail the interior of it because it's a little dirty. I never done this car before. I done the other car, but I guess this must be her husband's car. You know, most of these men, they don't really too care about getting their cars cleaned by me. So majority of my customers are women. I probably got about 12 guy customers. You know, a lot of these men feel as though that's their opportunity to get out the house, to clean their own cars, the opportunity to get away from the family and their wives. That's what they say to me. So that's why I don't do a lot of guy cars. Most of the women, because a lot of the women, they at home. A lot of my customers stay at home moms. So basically they just either going to the gym or pertaining to the kids, picking the kids up, or they at home, or they all my customers know each other, so they all be over each other's house, drinking wine in the middle of the day, eating cheese and shit. Audi right here. We're gonna knock it out real quick. Like I said, we're gonna detail the interior of this one first, and then we got that YUKONN to do, and then after we done with the YUKONN. Hey, how you doing?
Am I getting in your way?
No, I just need the car seat taken out of that YUKONN.
I can flip it it out.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah, 'cause we didn't know.
I hurt my back and I can't do really heavy.
Yeah, we didn't know how to get it out.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of weird.
Okay.
It goes through the whole patty.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question for
Yes,
you guys.
ma'am.
We have this little, it's a baby car, it's a Jeep, it's about that big, it's just plastic.
Okay.
Are you guys going to use a power washer? How do you use it outside?
We use a power washer.
Can you just hose this Jeep down?
Yeah.
I need to detail it while
Yeah,
you
you
just,
just bring it out.
It's really dirty, and there's a guy here, a contractor doing the garage, some organizers.
Okay.
And if we can get that out here and just hose it all off and clean it up, that would be awesome.
All right, that'll work. That'll work.
I just
That'll
don't
work.
have a way of like spraying it.
Okay.
Do you want me to show you where it is?
Yeah. All right, YouTube. Sorry about that little small delay. I had to go help that lady with something, but I want to show y'all the interior of this car, what it looked like previously before we do it. Prior to us doing it, it got mud all on the seats. You see, same type of debris, sticks, dog hair, a lot of leaves because you know the fall just passed, so you know a lot of leaves inside these cars, things like that. Twigs. You look on the door, got spills, things like that. These perforated seats, if you notice, they got stuff in the holes. But we about to go ahead and get it cracking. Rennie already started on that side. I'm about to go ahead and start on this side, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, YouTube, we just finished this Audi SQ7. Like I said, we had to do a interior detail on it. Basically, it was a little dirty in there. I've never done this car. Been coming through their cars for a while, but I never done her husband's car. But if you look at the car, the door came out pretty good. If you remember what they look like. If you remember what this panel looked like, it was full of mud. These seats were full of mud and white stuff caked up all in the cracks and crevices of the seat. But if you look, if you pull it back, you see how clean it is in between the seats. Well, you gotta have Rennie come bring the vacuum over there. He gotta get his vacuum back over here. But yeah, other than that, man, we just finished the interior of the car, shampooed the carpets, completely cleaned the leather seats, all 7 of them, because it's a 7-seater. You can seat 7 people in this car. But yeah, this Audi SQ7, man, it's a beautiful car. I actually like it. If you could tell the Audis, you could tell that Audi make Bentley, because if you look at this, the body style of this car is the same body style that Bentley got. But yeah, other than that, man, we finna start on the next car that's over there. We got to fully detail that car, but we just completely finished this Audi SQ7 in and out. It's a beautiful car. All right, YouTube. We about to do this GMC YUKONN Denali XL. Rennie already started on the inside because I was still over there finishing that Audi up. But I already pre-washed this side. Wheels already done. I still got to do the wheels and things on that side. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what Rennie already got done on here. Rennie already, like I say, he already started on the interior of the car over here. So it looks real good. If you notice, I don't think I even showed you what the car looked to prior to, but I can actually show you the other side, because the other side, he has not done the other side yet, but I can show you what it looked like. But this is what it looked like afterwards. The car came out pretty good. Like I said, it had a few stains right there, you can see. But it still got a little debris in here. Got your normal stuff. You see you got some Cheerios over there. But other than that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the interior of this. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the exterior of the car. Really gonna finish the interior of it, and then we'll get back with y'all in a minute. Like I said, supposed to rain tomorrow, so that's the reason I'm having this. Plus all my customers out on town, like these people out of town. This actually help. All right, detail world. We just finished this GMC Yukon Denali. Like I said, it was just a basic clean, nothing major. We just finished the whole car up. Had to do the inside, do the interior. It came out pretty well from what I just showed you. The car came out real nice. I'm gonna get homeboy right there getting it in, but you know, doing what he do best. And like I say, the exterior and interior of the car done. Like I say, we had to do this GMC Yukon Denali here, and we also had to do that Audi Q8. But man, like always, man, I appreciate all y'all, man, especially for the support. We just reached 100 subscribers as of yesterday. I really appreciate everybody helping get to that 100 mark. Hopefully within the next month we'll be at the 1,000 mark. A couple of more months after that we'll be at the 10,000 mark. So we're gonna keep pushing it, man. And we're gonna keep getting these subscribers. We're gonna keep putting out this content, and we're gonna continue to be consistent for you. I appreciate y'all giving Your Way Mobile Car Care the support that it needs to succeed on this YouTube. But I catch y'all tomorrow, man. I don't know if I'm working tomorrow because it may rain, but I do got work this weekend. And until then, man, peace.